Okay, tell us what's going on.
Right now, we got a blizzard. Blizzard's happening. We are shoveling the snow.
Look at how thick this is.
Look at this. Watch. Watch this. Can you see it?
It's up to my knees.
Knees.
I can't even see you. Get over in the picture.
All right, here we go. All right, Lydia, how you feeling?
I'm feeling a bit afraid. I'm
Oh, nice. Fight. Hi.
This is how we make a snowman.
That's awesome.
All right.
Here they come.
I saw her, yeah, I saw her with the black tongue tied, wearing the roses, a fist pounding on a vending machine,
Yeah.
a toy diamond ring stuck on a finger.
Okay, here we go.
With the news she could have
Oh.
the sun,
Here we go.
put it out with the dark sunglasses, walking crooked down the beach. She spits
Oh,
on the sand where the
wipeout.
boats are beaching. And I know I'm gonna steal a ride. She doesn't even know what's wrong. And I know I'm gonna make her buy.
Serious wipeout.
Take her where her soul belongs. I know I'm gonna steal a ride. Nothing that I wouldn't try. Hey, my son or girl. Hey, my son or girl. My son or girl. Hey, my son or girl. I saw her, yeah, I saw her with her hair stopped back, her bags are burning, crawling out from the landfill alive, scrawled her name upon the ceiling, throw a coin in the fountain of dust, white noise, the bells are ringing, got a ticket for my midnight.
In our snowstorm of 08 going off, a big truck.
She doesn't even know what's wrong. And I know I'm gonna make her buy.
Getting up to the edge.
Take her where her soul belongs. And now I'm gonna steal a ride. Nothing that I wouldn't
Just make sure you go out far enough.
My son
I'm filming.
Hey,
Okay,
my
he's
son
going.
or girl.
Grab the truck.
My son or girl.
Nice.
My son or
That really was
girl.
not as tough as you think.